What?
I'm working too hard.
What are we doing?
Getting sandy at the beach.
That's not a lie, is it? What are we doing here, though?
Trying to sand out all these air bubbles. We
Yeah.
kind of carved them out because it kind of bubbled up a little bit just because of the wasn't adhering very well. So now we're just getting the edges off. Gonna put some kind of Bando-like substance in there, flatten it out, and then repaint it.
Yeah, we're gonna put pinhole. Try to feather off the edge.